guys, welcome back to Fancy in Bourbon. So in today's video, I actually wanted to do one of those like pack and order with me, and while I work, I thought I would give you an update on my Etsy store. So I currently have a sale going on right now, up to 50% off. That includes all of the ribbon cutouts. I have all of the PDF files as well in this sale. So if you're interested, go check that out. I'm also taking commissions, so if you are interested in any pacifiers, maternity sashes, go to fancyribbon.com. And yeah, anyways, let's continue and finish up this order that needs to ship out.